It's Friday, May 26th. We are at the beginning of Memorial Weekend, and I think we are going to have a washout. It's going to be, I think there's a big storm hanging over North Carolina and Virginia, and I think it's just going to be here. So today it's been cooler. The weather's certainly not scorching hot. It did not really rain today yet. I think it's going to start tonight. So anyway, it's going to be a little drippy, but oh well, it'll still be Memorial Weekend, right? Okay, so you know how they ship a yarn to me, or maybe you don't, but often they'll ship a yarn to me and I'll order 5 colors and then they'll send me 3, or I'll order 6 and they'll send me 4. And a lot of times I'll keep it in the back just because I'm so frustrated. But if I have to keep it too long and the slow boat from China or wherever hasn't gotten to wherever it's being shipped, then I would have missed all those sales. So that's happened to me with 2 yarns this spring. So I wanted to show you the 3 colors I got in, 2 in one yarn and 1 in another, in case that might tempt you to do some lovely summer garment. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Lino. This is from Lang. It's $18 a skein. It's 100% linen. It's a linen tape. It's really lovely. It's a linen tape. And there are 120 yards in each ball. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is one of the colors that came today. And this is one of the colors that came today. They are both gorgeous and beautiful. Let me also show you the other colors that I have. So I still have white, which is gorgeous. I have navy blue, which is lovely. I have charcoal gray, which is beautiful. Then I have this sagey green. I think I only have 4 balls of the sagey green, so maybe not enough for a whole garment. Maybe just a shawl or a multicolored shawl in linen. And then this is the purple. It's still beautiful yarn, but I definitely have 10 balls of each of these. So 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,100 yards. So plenty to make a sweater if that's what you choose. Then the other yarn is Paradise, which is also from Lang. And it is a blend of cotton and viscose. It's a gradient. It's very pretty. It's very drapey. It's just automatically changes color, right? And I've had this color, which is beautiful. It would make a gorgeous shawl, just a simple, you could just do garter stitch, frankly, and just, start at the point and go out and then come back and you got it made. Or cut it, go all the way out until you have enough and then bind it off and you're good. So I have this beautiful pastels. I think I have 3 or 4 of these. I have 4 of these, which is beautiful colors. I love the fall. This pastel, I think I also have 3 of these. The yardage is, I didn't tell you, I'm so sorry. The yardage here is 340 yards. So there's a lot of yardage. 2 of these would make a decent little summer shawl. But the color I got in today is this gorgeous blue. So I have 10 balls of this. It is beautiful. It is $24 a skein, and you could make a gorgeous shell or shawl or whatever. It'd be beautiful. So that's what I wanted to tell you about today. I did get some additional colors in of yarn that I have had. So hopefully people will come out in the rain tomorrow and shop with us and sit and knit in the afternoon. We're still going to be here. Nothing's going to change. So I do think we will not be open on Memorial Day. I think it's going to be wet, 5 o'clock. It's going to be wet, probably, and a little rainy around here, and I don't think a whole lot of stores downtown will be open. So we are going to take a day of rest and commemoration to all of our veterans and active duty and all the people who have given their lives for the freedom and safety of this country. So I hope that you will all have a wonderful Memorial Day. I will see you tomorrow. All right, have a good evening. Stay dry.